Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use blocks in WordPress. Blocks are the fundamental building units for all your content, allowing you to easily create and arrange text, images, videos, and much more. Think of every piece of content, from a simple paragraph to an elaborate image gallery, as its own distinct block. This system provides incredible flexibility and control over your page layouts, making content creation intuitive and efficient. We'll explore how these powerful tools can transform your website editing experience. Adding blocks is incredibly straightforward. Simply click the plus icon, often found in the top left or within the content area, to open the block library. From there, you can select the specific type of content you wish to add. Rearranging blocks is just as easy. Simply drag and drop them into your desired position on the page. The intuitive block toolbar also provides quick access to common editing options, helping you manage your content with ease and precision. WordPress offers a wide array of block types to suit every need. The paragraph block is your go-to for all written content, while the image block allows you to seamlessly embed visuals directly into your posts and pages. For structuring your content, the heading block provides various levels, from heading 1 to heading 6, improving readability. And for organizing information clearly, the list block is perfect for creating bulleted or numbered lists, making your content easy to digest. Beyond simply adding content, blocks offer extensive customization options. Each block comes with unique settings accessible in the sidebar, allowing you to fine-tune its appearance and behavior. You can adjust colors, fonts, and spacing to perfectly match your website's design and branding. Furthermore, block patterns provide a fantastic shortcut, letting you quickly insert pre-designed layouts and sections, saving you valuable time and ensuring design consistency across your site.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.